Hi everyone, welcome to Furucombo community call number 6. And today, so Furucombo's community call is about talking or chatting with our community, and there's no limit about topics. Usually, what we will do is we will give everyone a brief about what Furucombo did in the past month and what we are going to do in the future month. And also we will have AMA section right after our somehow like a presentation. So feel free to ask any kinds of question, but try to be nice to each other. No fighting, no dirty words. So today it's a little bit special. In last call, we start to change our community call to inviting different protocols founder or founding team, the core team to this community call, and then we will talk about how some certain topics, yeah. And originally we planned to do that in next call, but we are going to have a TG event and also transaction mining event in next week. So we decided to change a little bit about the topics today. So today is a special version, but still it's our community call. So that's still follow the tradition. We introduce ourselves, including the team, and also if any attendee or participants you want to introduce yourself to others, feel free to do that. We saw some familiar people that we're familiar with, but and we also see some new people. Good. I'll start to introduce myself. I'm the CEO of the company. My name is Shenting, and I take care of the business development for the company, and also yeah, that's all. Next, Ben.
Hi everyone, I'm Ben, and I'm the blockchain lead of Dingo, and also the main developer of contracts on Furucombo. And I also do the on-chain structure design and development. Nice to meet everyone here. Okay, then Blake.
Okay, hi, I'm Blake, and I focus on the product design and also the data analysis. So if you have any question regarding Excel, just ask me anytime. Thanks for joining today.
Any participants that want to introduce yourself? No? Okay. Nah, okay. I was hoping the ROV you to introduce yourself because you are the new face to us, at least in this community call. But it's okay. We will have more community call, and then everyone can. You will always have a chance to introduce yourself. Okay, so let's start with update about Furucombo. Today, Ben will take care of this. So Ben, can you help us to update this?
Okay, sure. I will start to explain and introduce what we have done in the past month and what we can look forward to the next release. Okay. So like in the past years, yes, Furucombo was built in 2020, and we try to offer the most complete options for users to enter the world of DeFi. Yeah, and as a DeFi aggregator, and we try to unify the user interface and to reduce the effort for users, especially new users, to learn the DeFi's. Because if you go to try a new service, you have to be familiar with their user interface. But in Furucombo, we have like a unified user interface, user experience, and everything is like you don't have to learn a brand new service if you a brand new interface to use a new service. So, and another part is that with more services, we have more options and combinations. So that's two main reasons why we integrate most of the major DeFi's onto Furucombo in the past year. And this is also what we will be doing in the future. But another very important part that we are care about is the user's experience. Since if you guys have used the functions in Furucombo, you can notice that we combine actions into one combo, and every action that takes place affects the following ones. Like every result from the former cube will affect the following cubes. So what we can do to make sure that every combo is more likely to be successfully executed is to tell the user to refresh the price before every combo is sent. Well, this makes the condition between the moment that when the combo is created and when the combo is executed to be more similar and reduce the possibility of failure. And this is what we can deal with this kind of problems from a off-chain perspective. And what we are going to do is not going to do. What we are doing in the past month is trying to deal with the problem from an on-chain layer, which means that we can actually solve this problem from the contract execution. So let me explain from two points. The first one is to increase the success rate by improving the interaction of cubes. Like right now, every cube stands for like a transaction if you do everything separately. So every parameter have to be assigned when the cube is set. So what Furucombo do is to deal with the annoying parts that it's not straightforward for a user by applying the handlers function. For example, if you want to connect all the cubes, maybe you have to send the tokens from one contract to another, and maybe you need to approve of a lot of contracts. But in Furucombo, you don't have to do that. You can everything is taken care by the handlers. And for example, you can combine like I have Ether and I want to supply DAI to Abe, and then you can swap, like for example on Uniswap you can swap 1 Ether for 1,000 DAI or something, and then you can supply the 1,000 DAI to Abe to get 1,000 DAI, and that's what we can do right now. But however, the exchange rate based on the when we set the combo like 1 to 1,000 does not mean that the combo will be executed as this exchange rate. When the combo is settled on the chain, maybe you can get only 999 DAI, and then you don't have enough DAI to do the following steps. So what we want to do is for the upcoming version is a new mechanism. We call it chained input. And the chain input enables the cube being able to fetch the execution results from a former cube, and then apply in the following actions. For example, we just take the same example. When someone like, okay, maybe Alice, she used 1 Ether to swap for DAI, but when she sets the combo, she expects that I can swap it into 1,000 DAI. But when the swap happens on chain, it can only swap to fewer DAIs. But if by using chain input, you can still apply the new amount of DAI, like 999 DAI, for example, into 999 DAI. So we can still make everything goes well and successfully execute the combo. So this might cause another problem, is that when the exchange rate becomes worse than we expected, like maybe 1 Ether can only swap to 500 DAI or something because the exchange rate changes all the time. But in this case, we might not want the combo to be executed, since that we can only get 500 or 600 DAI in return. So we have another mechanism. It's called slippage protection. It enables the user to assign a proper acceptable price slippage range. For example, 3% slippage rate. So if Ether can only be exchanged to maybe 700 DAI, it's not acceptable if we have a 3% slippage rate. But if the DAI exchange rate only, the Ether to DAI exchange rate becomes maybe 1 Ether to 970 DAI, then it's acceptable. So the 970 DAI can properly be deposited into Aave and get 978 DAI. So this is the maybe more proper way for dealing with the successfully execution of combo and also the proper acceptable exchange for users. And these two mechanisms will be available in the upcoming release next week. So maybe after you use that, and any kind of thought or idea is welcome to share with us. So hopefully we can make DeFi become more and more user-friendly together. Yeah. Okay, that's all.
Okay, yeah, this is the function that the feature or the function that we spent a lot of time polishing it, because Furucombo is a trading platform, and then the trading experience of every user is the most important thing to us and also to the user. So we are always thinking about how to make sure that our user can know how to use the platform without too many documents or too many education stuff. And also when they are do trading, we want to make sure that they will not face or happen any error, or we need to provide some add-on for them to maximize their profit or to make them feel more efficient. Yeah, so this is the feature that we spend a lot of time, like from the ground up. We refactor all of our smart contract system one by one, every line of code, and then also we review the code again for the security, for the gas saving, and then for the efficiency. So it took us around like 3 months, and then it's finally in our test environment. So we are testing it right now. The feature will be online maybe next week or middle of January. Yeah, we are all really excited about this feature. This feature is not something really fancy or you can see it, but it's a super important feature that can level up the whole user experience or the trading experience. Yeah, so very excited about this. And let's move on to that's basically what we have done in the past month. And let's move on to today's topic, tokenomics, and also the combo token. So in our previous community call, we didn't talk much about our token. We just mentioned that we might have the idea or we might issue a token. But today we are really finally we can talk about it. We planned the whole stuff for about half year, like maybe half year to 6 months. I'm not sure, but we spent a lot of time polishing our white paper and then our tokenomics. It's not perfect, and it's still very early stage, but we still want to share our thoughts about why we are doing this, and then how will the token affect everyone in the future, with everyone in a community call. Even though we have already write a lot of articles on our Medium, and then it's very detailed, and then from the super aggregator to our combo token to our TG events detail and transaction mining. And also our team share a lot of thoughts in the Discord, but still today we are trying to use community call to talk to people directly. Yeah, so let's separate this into 3 different parts. The first one would be, why do we need a token? And the second one would be, what can the user do with this token? What's the function or utility? And the third It's where can you get a token? So again, this is not trying to promote our token or asking people to join the any TG event, but just we want to express our thought about the token, and then want to hear people's feedback about the tokenomics besides airdrop. Okay, so let's start with why do we need a token? So I think it's the answer is really simple. We want to have a closer relationship with our community. That's all. And within the Furucombo's community, or we call it ecosystem, there are 3 different roles, and then we want to make sure that everyone, every role here can be happy. How? So the 3 roles are user. User are who come to Furucombo trade, no matter it's using one cube, like for example, Uniswap to swap token, or you do super complicated like managing position, you do CRV arbitrage, or you do some maker stuff. That's a really complicated one. So no matter which one you are the user, okay? And the second one will be our combo creator. So combo creator is actually trader. So trader is who combine all the cubes together and then pick which token they want to trade, and they make some cool combos. That's a combo creator. And the third will be the project team. So project team is like Uniswap, Compound, Aave, or Gelato. They are project team. So the reason that we want to issue a token is to get everyone closer, and then make sure that the ecosystem will continue to grow without anyone, like if our core team doesn't have that much time, the community can, the ecosystem itself can still grow fast. Yeah. So in the near future, maybe Q1, or yeah, it's in the Q1, we will start to open source part of our code, and especially backend code, the smart contract, we are going to open source it. So for the project team, they can start to proactively integrate with Furucombo. That means our core team can spend more time think about what's next for aggregator for Furucombo, and also we can spend more time research and build the infrastructure, no matter it's a layer 2 cost trend or more feature that can enable more people to trade a more efficient way. Yeah, so we don't have to spend time like keep integrating with different protocols. That's what we do in the past 6 months. Yeah, and if the project team, they integrate with Furucombo proactively, we will at first, early stage, we will give them some reward, combo token for them, because thank them to save us some time, and then they do some work, right? So we reward them. And as for the combo creator, so since after right after projects integrate with Furucombo proactively, we will have a lot of protocols on Furucombo. And right now it's the combo creators time to show. They can use this kind of a lot of cubes to create any kinds of trading strategy to capture any kinds of market chance on the market, real time, without knowing how to code or without trying to find the protocols, because we have a lot of protocols already. So when they create a combo, and then we will give them some combo token. And if they people really use the combo, like created by, for example, Ben created a combo, and which is really, really popular, generate a lot of profit for every user. Okay, we will give you a lot of combo because you benefit everyone in the platform. You make the protocol, have higher traffic, and also you make the user, they can earn money. So you are superstar. We give you more token. And as for the user, we want to incentive you to use Furucombo and then feel the beauty of DeFi, which is the composability, and also feeling that, okay, DeFi is finally easy to normal people. So if you use Furucombo, just like transaction mining, this is the pilot version. We will give you some combo token. Yeah, so we think we want more and more people to work with the Furucombo team, the core team, and to make sure that the ecosystem can grow fast, because DeFi moves fast, right? So we need to move fast as well. But aggregator is a little bit different from money protocol. So money protocol, they focus on their protocol, they focus on lending, they focus on how to swap a token. But on Furucombo, we have to take care of, okay, RVB2 upgrade, and then 1inch upgrade, or maybe Uniswap upgrade coming soon. So we have to follow a lot of things and then do a lot of upgrade for every kinds of project. So yeah, we need more resource. We need more people contributing to the platform, and people contribute to the platform. We need something to reward them. It's not the old school style open source project contribute for free. That's all. That can be done. But we want, if you pay, if you work on something and then you contribute something, we want to make sure that you also get a reasonable reward from us, from the project, from the ecosystem. So that's why we want to use a token to connect everyone, like project team to the ecosystem, to the combo master, combo creator, and also to the users. Yeah, that's why we want to issue a token. And what can you do if you get a token? We have 3 different main purpose. And I think this is just a start. So I'll just bring out my idea. So first thing is get paid or share the result. So if you integrate some cool smart contract to Furucombo and then help the Furucombo TVL or trading volume 2 times better, okay, then you should get paid, right? You should get a reward. So the token can be, give it to you, just like give you some Amazon stock, Tesla stock to reward you. And the second thing was be vote. So a lot of things are going on. We cannot, we don't have that much resource to take care of every kind of detail. Just for example, we are busy with transaction mining and then shipping some new features this week, this month. So our Discord is like a lot of people coming in asking about transaction mining, or a lot of people are start to inspired by the combo master, and then they start to propose some cool combo hacking for the grant. So yeah, maybe when people, we have a lot of things that we need to, okay, this one we need to change this, another thing we have to do that. So we want to empower our user, our real user, to really participate in managing the community, managing the whole project, to try to make it better. So vote is a very important thing. And speaking of a vote, compared to money protocol, I think aggregator is a little bit different from what you can vote. So on the money for the money protocol, you can vote, okay, what asset I want to list. For example, Aave, right? I want GUSD, I want combo token, or something in the future, and of course the fee. But as for the aggregator, we don't list an asset, right? Because it's Aave or Uniswap, they list the asset. So we just follow them. But what can we vote? So first one, new protocol integration. For example, we have like 20 protocols that people ask us to integrate, but we just don't have time. We don't have that much resource. So maybe when the community join, they can start to vote, okay, which one we should go first? Because I think this can benefit Furucombo the most. And maybe the project team, the protocol, they can come to start a proposal, says, hey, if you integrate with us, Furucombo can have a 2-time trading volume. Oh, say the company says, oh, okay, this is good. So let's vote for him. So yeah, new protocol integration. And second, adjust fee, of course. Like we are going to charge fee this year, starting this year. We will have more detail coming soon, so people can adjust. Okay, we think this fee is too high, too low. Make it reasonable. Yeah. And then third will be new features. So yeah, protocols are in just integration, and then we have a lot of new feature on the waiting list, wish list. And of course, the community can suggest that we should do this, blah blah blah, A B C D, or 1 2 3 4. And if the vote pass, and maybe core team will do that first, or maybe someone else who's volunteer to do this, and we can give them a reward. So yeah, we can vote out new features. And the last one will be reward program. So last week we announced our first grant reward program to those early adapter to Furucombo, and also reward the combo master, Gitcoin donors, and more coming soon. So I think this is just the beginning, because more people will start to contribute to Furucombo, and we want to make sure that if people really do something very good to Furucombo. We as a team want those people get the reasonable reward. Yeah, so this is what a user can do with their token. Get paid, vote on something, and yeah, get reward. And also, we are going to ship a lot of premium features to our combo token holders. This will be only available for combo token holders. Stay tuned. Something will, we will release something in Q2. Will be very exciting. So this is how you can do with the token. And last part is where can you get the token? So as I mentioned, like 1 minute ago, we have already announced our first retroactive program, giving some free tokens to those who contribute to Furucombo before. And if you are not on the list, you still have the chance to participate in Furucombo ecosystem. Here are two different ways. The first way will be our TG token generation event, which is on next Tuesday. Different time zone, different time. So make sure you check out our Medium post. And this TGE will exist for about 48 hours. And the TGE is held on Balancer Liquidity Bootstrapping Pool. We call it LBP. Why do we want to choose LBP instead of normal DEX? It's because we don't want people to get front run, or we don't want bots to be participate in the sale. And we want to make sure that everyone can get the token in a reasonable price. No pump, no dump. Yeah, especially no pump. We want to make sure that everyone who needs the token can use a reasonable price to buy it. So that's why we choose LBP. And I will spend a little bit of time, like 2 minutes, to explain how LBP works, because it's a little bit different from the normal DEX. So normal DEX, if you buy token, the price goes up. This is easy. If you don't buy the token, the price stays there. So LBP is a little bit different from here. So for the LBP pool, when we start a pool, we set the price at US dollar 2.2, around 2.2. And then we set the lowest price around like 0.2. So at the very beginning, they will start, the price will be 2.2, okay, let's say $2. So LBP will monitor, is there any transaction happening to the pool? If anyone buy or sell token with the pool, the price will go a little bit up or down. But if no one interact with the pool, the price will go down, go down, go down. So that will be like 1.9, 1.8, 1.7, yeah, go all the way to down. So people can see, if you think the price is reasonable, you can start to buy. Okay, so for example, I think Furucombo's token worth 1.5 US dollar, and I start to buy. So what happened when I interact with the LBP? The price will a little bit go up, just like you are using other DEX. So if you buy the token, the price goes up. But if no one keep buying the token, the price goes down. But if people keep buying the token, still the token price will go up. But this is what we can do at best, because they have the mechanism to drag the price down a little bit. Yeah, so this is why we want to use the LBP. So we suggest everyone not to participate or interact with the LBP pool at the first time, at a super beginning time. Just wait for 1 hour to see the price, how the price move, and then you can decide if you want to go or if you want to pass. Yeah, so that's basically the TGE. And the second way will be our transaction mining program. So transaction mining program will start right after, no, not right after. So TGE will start on Tuesday for 48 hours, 2 days. And after TGE ends, we will take a break for about 12 hours. And then we will start the transaction mining. The transaction mining will be running for 2 months, no stop, 2 months. Everyone who want to participate in getting Furucombo token, you have to participate in transaction mining program because it's free. It's totally free. So how to participate? Simply just go to Furucombo, trade. No matter it's a Uniswap, swap your Ether to DAI or super complicated combo. Yeah. So we have some cubes and function or token is excluded from the list, but most of them are on a list. It's counting your trading volume. And every week we will have a spreadsheet and then calculate who's number one, who's number two, based on the trading volume. This is the first week. And after first week, we will distribute the first free Furucombo token from Tisa mining event, transaction mining event to those traders. And when you get a Furucombo token, you have two ways to to use it. The first, you can stake it back to Furucombo. Why? Because if we see you stake back to the Furucombo, we will boost your trading volume in next week. That means if you trade 1 million US dollar on second week and you stake some Furucombo token on the platform, your trading volume will not just be 1 million, might be 1.1 million. It's a boost, just like see what Curve did. And the second way you can use the combo token is you go to we will open a pool in DEX, and DEX. And you can add liquidity to the liquidity pool, earning some fee. And then you take the LP token back to Furucombo, stake it. If you stake the LP token onto Furucombo, you can still boost your trading volume, just like you stake the combo token. So basically the same, okay? Yeah, so this is the two way you can participate in recent 2 months. Yeah, but I have to say, this is just the beginning of how we are going to build the ecosystem. We start from distributing the tokens to some early users, and then we want more people to get involved to experience how Furucombo, how to trade on Furucombo. And when they really trade on Furucombo, they get the experience, right? And then they go to get some portion of token. They can start to participate in our like governance, or they can start to unlock some premium feature, or start to talk about, okay, what token, what protocol, what feature do I need in the future? Just like you are one of the Amazon shareholder, you can express your voice just in blockchain world, in DeFi world. This is more easy. It's more easier compared to the traditional company. So it's a great chance. Everyone should participate in the transaction mining. No fancy requirement, just trade, and then you get a token. Yep. So this is the combo token. Wow, a lot of information, and I know it's a lot of information. I'm really thirsty right now. So everyone can review the information on our Medium, on our Discord, on our Twitter. That's all. Let's move on to the last part. Ask team anything. Any question?
Hey guys, I don't know if you could hear me. This is Richard from Pull Together.
Hi, Richard. I can hear you clear.
Excellent. So yeah, no, you guys are doing great things. I enjoy this community call. Just a couple of kind of feedback and comments. In regards to the kind of like having a governance, I don't know if Furucombo has a governance page where we could kind of leave, our comments. Or is it just on yeah, similar to
for right now we don't have one.
Yeah. So I highly recommend that. Just to have it kind of web-based where it's not, you have to download Discord or anything like that. Also, I look forward to kind of seeing hopefully like a Zoom with the combo masters.
Okay.
Yeah.
Combo masters are super popular. Like everyone wants to talk
exactly.
To them.
I think they deserve more popularity and more credit. Obviously from you guys, the core team, is always very important. But I feel, again, I know I've done a couple of trades on Furucombo, but I feel, it's a protocol. It's something, which you really have to understand it, and it's obviously best understood and explained by somebody who's, kind of like a key or a top user.
Yeah, I agree with that. There are also other users that suggest us to have a workshop or have a call talking, especially
Totally.
talking about the flash loan, how to use flash loan to do arbitrage, to manage a position, or blah blah blah. Yeah, we are thinking to do that as well. We need more
Excellent.
education, more inspiration. No matter it's from the core team, from the user, or from the combo master. But I think the thing is that our combo masters are they are all super busy. So I
Sure.
as a team, yeah, we are like
They're
super
using
thankful.
Furucombo. That's the thing. They're very busy.
Yeah. A lot of people are asking them a lot of questions. We feel like really thankful. Yeah, I mean, thank you to Combo Masters. They took a lot of responsibility on this. So yeah, we will actually, of course, talk to our Combo Masters to see if they have time to host at least one time per month to all the user, and then they can ask all kinds of questions. Actually,
Right.
there's one combo master, at least one in the community code right now. It's Jill.
Okay. Excellent.
Yeah,
Hey,
hello,
Jill.
Richard.
Nice to meet you.
His combo
Yeah.
is the top 10 of the year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent.
I
No,
used it a bit
that's
to
very cool.
arbitrage. Back when gas was still like a single digit or double digit.
Okay,
Different time.
very cool. So yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. Like I can tell you one thing that I love about crypto, is obviously like the community feel, where it's more like a tribe, where we're all in this together to try and achieve, as many things as we can, not just on a monetary position, but just to kind of push this whole movement and all these protocols forward, with as many synergies as we can. So yeah, no, I love, like I said, I love having the opportunity to join these community calls, and I love what you guys are doing, and I'd love to provide whatever input I can, just to kind of, see the change that we all want to see.
Jill, do you have anything you want to, speak with the community?
Me? Yeah, I don't know. I really like the product also. Like I was one of the earlier users, I guess. And it's just because it can save you a lot of time with like basically the yield farming summer. It involved a lot of moving funds around and farming something and transferring it to your own wallet, selling it on Uniswap, maybe putting it into another liquidity pool, and a lot of things you could just do in 1 or 2 steps with Furucombo. So, and I think there's a lot of like new opportunities also, like for instance with the curve pools and like liquid staked Ether. So there are a lot of solutions now to provide staking to deposit your Ether into decentralized staking services that also issue tokens. So there's a lot of like movement, I think, within the space, and Furucombo is in a good position to like capture some of it. At least that's my feel about it, and it's just really user friendly. I like it. Just looking forward to more new integrations.
Yeah, definitely. I personally very looking forward to more integration, because a new protocol means more market chance. Yeah, so yeah, we will integrate with more protocol, and then try to make everyone understand how to trade in DeFi space and then capture all the market chances without someone guide you.
Jill, how did you come up with last YCRB arbitrage combo? It's really blew my mind. I think you liked thinking out of the box at that time.
Yeah, I don't remember exactly. I think it was just because I wanted to enter Curve, and I was looking for like the cheapest option to do it, and I found like, hey, if I go that route, I actually end up with more tokens. So I then made a combo out of it, like selling the tokens back. something like that. I don't remember exactly. It's a long time ago. It's like when Yearn, I think, launched their Y pool also. So it was like a really, there was a lot of arbitrage opportunities in that time.
Yeah, I think it's about like 3 to 4 months ago. Yeah, but it's a really impressive trading strategy. You know, a lot of people build a bot just to get profit using this strategy. A lot. People are talking to us, says, "Hey, can we, arbitrage blah 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 this based on this?" Yeah, so cool, very cool.
Yeah,
really.
I never imagined it to like become big or anything. Just for my own personal, like to make my life a bit easier, make a little bit of money. I should set up a bot myself, maybe.
Yeah, we should. Yeah. We're going to have some cool feature, and then can save you time. When you are sleeping, you can still trade. That's all I can say. But it's still in death mode. So yeah, stay tuned. And speaking of the community forum, for having a forum for proposal would be nice from Jill and also from Richard. Yeah, proposal, and also the combo hacking. Combo hacking channel is now a lot of people are trying to share their trading strategy and get a grant, of course. Other people are asking questions there, and people are answering questions there. So it's moving really really fast. So I'm thinking maybe we can move the combo hacking channel to forum, maybe a forum, yeah. And of course for the governance, that people can start some topic that they want to discuss. So we're not flooded by new message in Discord channels. Anything else people want to talk about? Oh, leaderboard. Yeah, leaderboard is also on the wish list. And originally we planned to do that for our transaction mining, but we have too much work to do. So a lot of features are under testing right now, and then building a lot of new features right now. So yeah, leaderboard is definitely on the watch list, and hope to roll out this soon.
Another one that I suggest is also like on the Furucombo website, is having the Furucombo like .app/compound finance. So that way, like via the URL, it'll show you everything that pertains to that service. Does that make sense?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's old school, but it makes it so much easier, if you want to see everything that pertains to like a certain protocol, like you'll see the listings, and then it'll have obviously the most used kind of like on top.
Okay.
Like yeah. So that's the thing. Like I visualize these things every time I see Furucombo, and I'm like, I wish this was like this, or I wish that, this did that. Yeah. So I think that come in, very handy.
Brilliant idea. I never thought about this, but this makes sense.
Yeah. I mean, that's why I'm the call, and that's the thing. Like, I'm not a huge trader, but I want to be. But on the user side, like I see these things, and then I kind of see like the accessibility and the usability for the users, and also for sharing, just like it makes it so much easier.
Yeah, usability is the most important thing for the user, especially if we want DeFi goes to majority, then usability is super important, because no one is knowing how to code. Not everyone know how to code, or have the technical background.
Right. Yeah. No, definitely, of course. So another one, and again, this would be kind of like, you may get doxed on a privacy level, but it's having, if a leaderboard is going to be utilized, is having, again, the Furucombo.app/user wallet address, and that way you see all their combos.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's the last one. I could come up with more, but I don't want to take over the meeting.
I think we should start something like a Trello or a form, to let people write down everything, and other people go vote. If the vote goes above like 10 votes, 100 votes, maybe we should do that first.
Totally. No, like I said, that's what we're doing on Pull Together, because you have all these communication channels, your Twitter, your Telegram, your Discord, but a lot of like ideas and suggestions just kind of get lost in oblivious, you know, like you never find them in no land. So if we go back to how Bitcoin started, right? It was all in forums. Like, you know, you see Satoshi's posts, you know, from like 12 years ago, but like try to get back to, you know, a message on Discord, like you can't, because it's just like a river of content. So yeah, no, I think that governance page is definitely going to help a lot, you know, because once it's there, you know, it's kind of like timestamp, you know, and it's there for record. So we could go back to it and say, hey, wait, this person made that suggestion, you know.
Yeah, it's very good. It says it's a river. Yeah, it's actually just like a river, big river.
Exactly. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I visualize the thing as well. Okay, cool.
Awesome.
Cool. Nice talking. Like, it's always nice to have, like, you know, Richard and then people talking to us, talking to the team, because I think this is, you know, the main reason that we want to have the community call, talk to our community, talk to people. So we have more ideas and then we can exchange ideas. So for our next sprint, next month, next quarter, and yeah, listen to the user, give what they want. This is what we want to do. Yeah. So, oh yeah, thank you, Jill. We will definitely take a look at the website, canny.io. Okay. Cool. Thanks everyone for participating in our community call. And remember to take a look at our transaction mining program, try to feel about Furucombo. And also we are going to ship new feature next week. So try to feel it.
Awesome. Thank you guys. That was my son in the background. I don't know
Oh, hi. Hello.
Hi.
Oh, wait a
Richard.
second. Just so you guys could see, it's not just the meme. Say hello.
Hi.
He's in school right now. He's gonna be the future trader, so that's why I want to make sure to learn to teach him.
Should be the new combo master.
Exactly.
Best.
Yes. We got to make sure to teach him.
Okay, cool. Thanks
All right,
everyone.
awesome.
And then
Thank you,
hope
guys.
you guys have a good day, good night, good morning, good afternoon. Bye.
Awesome. Thank you guys. Bye.